I'm going to break this into parts because I'm going to be installing the Coprint on my N4Max finally. I just disconnected everything around it and I'm going to pull it out, take the top part out, and I'm also going to modify the back. I made a nice template to put the extruders in. We're just going to glue it and then X-Acto knife it out. Gonna make some modifications to the Yopai. We're gonna remove the filament sensor in this bracket. Next we're gonna remove our old extruder, loosen the belt. Help from pliers remove the belt. Do it for both sides. Make sure to unplug your extruder cable and remove your carriage. We will remove the 3 screws holding our carriage. Alright, we're gonna transfer the old palm wheels to the new carriage. Placing the palm wheels on the new carriage, we're going to mount the chroma unit to this. I think taking the fan node off of it makes everything a lot easier. Top screw as a guide to the back plate. Now put the rest of the 2 screws. Screws installed, but I did have to back up this one just a little bit because it almost touches the palm wheel. It doesn't touch it, but it's close. This is my real carriage. I ran into a problem. These 2 screws need to be locked in. 2 bottom hooks go to the belt. They secure 1 screw. So what I'm going to do is put an M5 nut on the other screw and line it parallel so it kind of sits flat. Alright, that's secure. That's not going anywhere. So 3 long black screws and mount it back up to the carriage. Now that we got the first one installed there, we'll do the rest of the screws and get it tight. When installing the 3rd screw, it will dig into the gantry. So no damage, but not bad. Just don't over tighten this bottom screw. On the chroma head, so we're going to install this main screw. This one we're going to put an M3 and the black screw and the black screw here, so at least that way we have 2 points of main contact. 3 nut on the black screw, screw to mount it, 2nd point of contact, put it back on the rails and tighten everything up. We have the chroma head mounted. We can put back our belt. We installed the belt back. Sure, when tightening the belt, everything falls inside the little grooves and you're able to move it properly and it's solid. Replace the fan and cover. Alright, the chroma head's on there. For the moment, that's the chroma head install. Hopefully everything's aligned, everything's tight, so need to tighten that up. Tighten the gantry, everything's tight. Boys, that's the chroma head install on N4Max without using an adapter.